pointed out yesterday. Plus, we left behind a legacy of allegiance to the Holy Father. May this legacy continue in the Diocese of Abakaliki. To uphold this legacy, I invite every priest and lay faithful of the Diocese of Abakaliki to personally renew his or her loyalty and allegiance to the Holy Father Leo the 14th, who has been chosen by God to guide the Church at this present moment. No diocese can stand or move as a Catholic diocese without this essential unity and communion with the See of St. Peter, with the Holy Father, the Vicar of Christ. May God strengthen this loyalty and unity in all our hearts, and guide the Holy Father, Leo the 14th, as he seeks to appoint a suitable and worthy successor to Bishop Chukwu in due course. May we learn from the whom we especially venerate in this month of May. How to accept God's will in our lives by subjecting our will to the will of God. Meanwhile, I urge you, the priests and lay faithful of the Diocese of Abakaliki, to be united and fervent in prayer, imploring God to send you a shepherd after his own heart. Also entreat you to pray and work harmoniously together with Most Reverend Ernest Okodo, the Apostolic Administrator, for a transition period marked by peace and unity. To promote peace and unity, distrust and suspicion should not be tolerated among you, and no room should be given to the peddling of half-truths, falsehood, or making divisive statements that can cause acrimony or disaffection. Pontifical secrets must be respected as sacrosanct and treated with the highest level of confidentiality. Pressure groups and cliques are counterproductive. They unnecessarily prolong the process of the appointment of a bishop when there is a sede vacante. It is easy for a priest to nurse the ambition of becoming a bishop, while forgetting that if you have the mitre on your head, you can never have it on your head. My dear brother priest of Abakaliki Diocese, please endeavor to strengthen the fraternal unity of your presbyterian. This involves fostering a renewed vision of the priesthood as an intimate sacramental brotherhood, and possessing a Catholic heart that is not closed in or egocentric, clannish or parochial, but which is inclusive and encompassing, open and welcoming to everyone. For Christ our High Priest was open to all who came to him and never closed his door against anyone. On the cross, he destroyed all alienating barriers of division, making Jews and Gentiles one holy people, having revealed that when he is lifted up from the earth, he will draw all men to himself. Chukwu lived a quiet and peaceful life and died just the way he lived. On Friday, 10th April 2026, he quietly and peacefully passed into eternity, aged 60 years, after 31 years as a priest and almost 5 years as a bishop. He died in active service and thus became the 5th Catholic Igbo bishop to die in office after Most Reverend John Cross and Yogo, the pioneer bishop of Enugu Diocese, who died on 5th July 1967, aged 69 years. Most Reverend Godfrey Mary Paul Okoye, CSSP, the 2nd Bishop of Enugu, who died on 17 March 1977, aged 61 years. Most Reverend Victor Adibe Chukwu, the pioneer bishop of Anambra Diocese, who died on 16 September 2010, aged 72 years. And Most Reverend Vincent Valentine Ezonia, CSSP, the pioneer bishop of Aba, who died on 8 February 2015, aged 73 years. May God grant him and all our deceased bishops eternal reward of their faithful labors. When the news of his sudden death began spreading in the social media soon after his passing away, it was shocking and bewildering. Many initially thought it was fake news until the official obituary was later released. As we behold the casket containing his mortal remains, our hearts are overwhelmed with grief. We are bewildered by the sudden departure of this seasoned, versatile, and accomplished pastor of souls. As we bury him today, our spirits are crushed. But we shall never miss a prelate who has become an integral part of ourselves, a kind father and a caring shepherd who compassionately identified with people in need. As we lower his body in the grave today, we shall bid farewell to a shepherd that was very close to his flock, and who left no one in doubt that he was a bishop with a listening ear and a heart that beats for his flock, an empathic pastor, including the joy and hope, the grief and anguish of his flock, his own joy and hope, grief and anguish. To his work, Bishop Peter Chukwu brought intelligence and wisdom, the spirit of enterprise and resourcefulness, as well as his gifts of gentleness and good humor, a tireless prophetic voice, a strong voice of the voiceless, and an active crusader for social justice. Bishop Chukwu also brought to his ministry courage, always fearlessly speaking truth to power, in condemnation of social injustice, greed, and graft. Above and beyond, he brought to his ministry faith and love, humility and commitment. He lived true to his motto, totus tuus, ego sum, and totally yours, which is an expression of his Marian spirituality and resolve to serve God and his flock with total dedication. The spirit of total dedication was the driving force of his entire pastoral ministry as a bishop, which focused on formation of the lay through intensive catechesis, youth empowerment through vocational development, priest welfare and education, and advocacy for the poor.